So what does a black hole sound like? You'd probably guess nothing, right? Just silence, an empty, silent void. But what if I told you that scientists have actually recorded one, and it's been humming a single, incredibly deep note for eons? Well, let's follow the sound because the story it tells is, believe me, truly out of this world.
Yep, that's right. Astronomers have found that a black hole is, for all intents and purposes, singing. Now, I know that sounds like something straight out of science fiction, but it's based on very real data from NASA. The sound is this impossibly deep, constant hum that's been reverberating through hundreds of thousands of light years of space. And this, of course, brings us to the big question. The one you're probably yelling at your screen right now. How is that even possible? I mean, we've all been taught that space is a vacuum, and in a vacuum, there's no medium for sound waves to travel through. So how on earth can a black hole make any sound at all? To solve this cosmic mystery, our journey takes us to a very specific, and apparently very loud, corner of the universe.
Our destination is the Perseus galaxy cluster. Just try to picture this. It's like a cosmic metropolis, this colossal structure where literally thousands of galaxies are all bound together by gravity. And it's here, right at its very heart, that scientists have been unraveling a pretty amazing secret.
So, right at the center of this cluster, we find the source of our cosmic hum, a supermassive black hole. And this is the key to the whole puzzle. You see, this black hole isn't just floating in an empty void. The entire cluster is filled with this mind-bogglingly huge cloud of superheated gas. We're talking millions of degrees hot. And that gas, well, that's the crucial piece. It provides the medium for sound to travel.
And just to give you a sense of the incredible scale we're dealing with, the Perseus cluster is 250 million light-years away. That means the sound we're about to explore began its journey when the very first dinosaurs were just starting to show up on Earth. It's been traveling across that immense distance ever since. Wild, right?
Okay, so if the sound is out there, how did we actually hear it? Well, it wasn't as simple as just pointing a microphone at the sky. It involved this really brilliant process of detecting invisible clues and then translating them into something our ears can finally understand. So the whole process really unfolds in 3 key steps. First, the black hole isn't just sitting there quietly. It periodically blasts out these unbelievably powerful jets of energy. As these jets plow through all that hot gas in the cluster, they create enormous pressure waves. You can think of it like dropping a stone in a cosmic pond and creating ripples. Second, while we can't see these ripples with our eyes, they glow in X-ray light, which is exactly what NASA's Chandra X-ray Observatory is built to see. Finally, scientists took that X-ray data and did something truly remarkable. They translated it into audible sound.
Now, this process of turning data into sound actually has a name. It's called sonification. And it's a super powerful technique that lets astronomers hear patterns and information that they might completely miss just by looking at visual data. It's almost like we've gained a whole new sense to experience the universe.
But here's the part that really blows my mind. The original frequency of these pressure waves is a staggering 57 octaves below middle C. I mean, that's so deep, it's not just inaudible to humans, it's on a completely different scale of existence. To bring it into our hearing range, scientists had to raise its pitch by quadrillions of times. That is like taking the lowest rumble you can possibly imagine and shifting it up and up and up and up and up until it finally enters the realm of sound as we know it.
And the result of all that work? A deep, kind of haunting B-flat. This is the lowest note ever detected from an object in the entire universe. And get this, each wave, each single vibration of this note takes about 10 million years to complete one cycle. This black hole has been singing the exact same note for an unimaginable amount of time.
Okay, so now we have all the pieces of the puzzle. Let's put them together to definitively answer that first big question. How can there possibly be sound in space?
The solution is actually pretty simple when you think about it. Here on Earth, sound travels by creating pressure waves in air molecules. Well, in the Perseus cluster, the exact same principle is at play. The only difference is the medium. It's not air, it's that vast cloud of intergalactic gas. The black hole's jets are the source of the sound, and the gas is the medium carrying the sound waves. Simple as that.
And here's my absolute favorite analogy for understanding this whole concept. The changes in the density of the gas, the compression and expansion caused by the pressure waves, they effectively act like a giant cosmic speaker cone. It's this speaker that carries the deep hum of the black hole all the way across the galaxy cluster.
You know, this discovery is so much more than just a cool cosmic soundbite. It really represents a fundamental shift in how we explore the universe. For centuries, we've been looking at the cosmos. Now, we're starting to listen to it.
And believe me, this is just the beginning. The sonification of the Perseus black hole is part of a much larger NASA initiative. Scientists are now creating what you could call a cosmic playlist, applying this same technique to all sorts of celestial objects. They're turning data from other black holes, from glowing nebula, and even from entire star fields into sound. And it's revealing these hidden structures and rhythms we never even knew were there.
So, I'll just leave you with this thought. For basically all of human history, our understanding of the universe has been almost entirely visual. We've been stargazers. But now, we're becoming star listeners. We've learned that space isn't silent, after all. It's actually filled with a symphony that we're only just beginning to tune into. And it really makes you wonder, what else is the universe trying to tell us? What other cosmic secrets are out there just waiting for us to hear them?